Well, today, as you can see, all the windows are down. I repaired the driver's side rear window. I had a motor issue with the bimetal self-resetting circuit breaker inside. And I had bypassed the other one, so I went ahead and bypassed this one. I don't trust it to work, even after I'd cleaned the points. I'm not sure where it's set. If there's just a slight extra load, it could be that it was stopped. So I just bypassed it, so it works perfect now. And see, I've got one of my wire wheels on. The other three just arrived yesterday, so hopefully this week I'll get the other ones on there. And you can see my parking lights, my crystal clear parking lights are on, and look pretty cool. And so got the back seat all installed, so that's finished, hopefully. So maybe tomorrow or sometime this week I'll get the front area back together. I still need to fish the wires through there, but it took me almost all day to get this done and to fix that window. So let's see here. Let's try that one. There it goes. And the other one here. There it goes. So got those working. So that's it for today.